Right then guys, so welcome back to the channel. Got a few things today. The main thing will be the Cupra R giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And the other one will be what the boxes are for behind me. I did hint at this earlier, a couple of videos ago. Something extra I'll be bringing to the channel, something a little different, and we'll get right on that. Right then, so for you guys that don't know, these will be my new attire for when I'm doing something particular. First of all, let me, this will be a bit awkward to get into with one hand, we'll see. Oh. I decided to pick myself up one for two reasons. A nice cheap helmet, nothing major. It's got a bit of a sun visor and stuff on it, which would be nice. This will be mainly for when I'm doing track days and I need a helmet for inside the car. That's why I've not gone too mad for it and spending a lot of money on. I've just went with a fairly cheap brand. I think it cost about 60-70 quid, nothing major, but it'll do the job and it'll save my head. So if you haven't already guessed it, what I'm going to be actually doing is my full bike test. I will be, obviously I need to do my CBT first because I haven't ridden a bike for some years since I was younger. I was a pretty avid biker when I was younger, but moved on to cars due to work and obviously typical UK weather. It wasn't very nice some of the days going to work on a 125 and stuff like that. New helmet. I've just got some main gloves just so my hands are protected while I'm doing my CBT, and also I did have a set of city boots, but they don't fit me anymore. I've had to buy myself a cheapish pair of just some basic attire to wear. As you can see, not too bad, pretty stylish. I didn't think they were too expensive. I think they're about 50-60 quid. But yeah, this should keep my feet protected if I catch out or fall off or anything like that. So yeah, I will be originally getting a 125 for the time being. Obviously I can get my CBT done. I'm hopefully booking that today or tomorrow. I think most of the companies are shut, so that's why I haven't had any replies yet. So I'll probably have one booked in and no further when my my CBT test will be probably tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm going to start with a 125. I've got to do my my theory test, like the written test for it. Even though I've got a car, you still have to actually do the bike one as well because it is slightly different. Some things, and obviously there's different dangers and stuff being on a bike compared to a car as well. So I'll be doing that. I'll be getting that booked in as soon as I can. And then once I've done that, I'll be doing my mod 1 test and then mod 2, and then I'll be fully legal on a full any bike I like, so I can buy 1000cc or 1600 or whatever. I'm probably going to go with a 600cc. They still have between 80 and 100 brakes, some of the newer ones, but obviously I'm looking at trying to get hold of maybe a nice old classic 600. I have been looking at some of the R6s. Some like around the 2000 models, try to find ones that are either cheap, tattered, need a bit of work doing to them, bit of TLC, bit of bodywork, something like that. Yeah, just something that I can bring a bit of different content onto the channel. So enough of that, enough of me bike talk. I'll do a later video a bit more in depth about that. So yeah, the LCR giveaway. I'm not going into too much detail with the Cupra R-fins, mainly because I have sold quite a few. A lot of you guys probably that are coming from the groups that I'm in, that I've talked to, that I've met at track days and stuff like that, you'll probably know or seen what they look like, so I'm not going to go into the massive detail on how they fit. I do have a little help text file, so if you want I can print that out and send that with the package. If you want any help or any tips and tricks to how to install them as well. But literally, comment on any of the groups and a lot of them will probably just post up, and they're dead easy to fit. Literally it takes 20 minutes. They look great. To enter, all you need to do is hit the subscribe, and on this video comment either both or just the one engine code that you get with the Mark 1 Seat Leon Cupra R. So what engine codes or engine code do you have on the Mark 1 Seat Leon Cupra R? So it's as simple as that. Just one question, simple as that. Hit the subscribe, comment below on the answer, and you'll be entered into the competition. So yeah, that's just a quick video today. So I hope you liked it. Good luck on the giveaway, and I'll catch you in the next one.